Delhi High Court's recent directive to move all street dogs into designated shelters has reignited a long-standing debate on managing stray population. Now, over 1,000 animal lovers have taken out a march in Chennai, demanding justice for dogs against the Supreme Court's order as well. Animal activists urge that moving the dogs will lead to the death of dogs in a large scale. They urge that sterilization is the only solution.
With the Supreme Court ordering shifting of all stray dogs in Delhi to shelters, Chennai is speaking out. More than 1,000 animal lovers in the city are on a silent protest march demanding justice for dogs across India, with many states following suit, including the Madras High Court suggesting it will order implementation of that order in Tamil Nadu as well. Dog lovers are worried.
The solution is for the municipality to work with the feeders. When people feed the dogs, they befriend the dogs. It's easier to catch them, then it's easier to vaccinate them and sterilize them and put them back in the same place. That's the way that the community and the government work together. Just removing them from the streets and putting them in no place where there's no shelter.
What's your worry if they're all put in shelters?
The worry is you don't have the funds to take care of them the way they have to be taken care of. It'll lead to culling. It'll lead to each other killing each other by fighting because dogs are territorial.
People who lose lives because of dog bite, they are mounting pressure that no stray dogs.
Lives have lost because of multiple reasons, not just dogs. It's also by road accidents. Are we going to ban the vehicles? Are we going to ban, so many other things which are already there. So that doesn't actually make an argument per se. It is just a very lame argument saying this is the reason we have to take down the dogs.
What's the solution to prevent dog bites and loss of lives due to that?
See, we are willing to spend crores of money for building shelters, rather invest in building, doing mass sterilization. That would make much sense more scientifically. That would be the way forward. Not forget the Surat 1994, what happened in Surat, where when all the dogs were rounded up, plague came up and so many people lost their lives. Every species has its own purpose in this planet.
The Supreme Court has agreed to hear the petition again, but as we speak now, its original order moving these stray dogs to shelters in Delhi stands good. Already the Madurai bench of the Madras High Court too has suggested that it would instruct the Chief Secretary of Tamil Nadu to implement the Supreme Court's order. And will this bring about a change of heart? Would this really open ways for an effective solution to ensure all stray dogs across the country would be sterilized and the streets would be made more safer? That's the big question. In Chennai, with Suresh, Sam Daniel, Find TV.